the united colors of peace. Value, peace. Now let's begin. So we have to complete the following sentences. What peace looks like, peace sounds like what, and peace feels like what. And color this pigeon and write based on your own understanding. So once upon a time, all the colors in the world started to argue. Each claimed it was the best, the most important, the most useful, and God's favorite. Green said, clearly I am the most important. I am the sign of life as I was chosen for grass, trees and leaves. Without me, all the animals would die. Everywhere you see around the world, I am there. Blue interrupted. You only think about the land, but what about the sea and the sky? Water is the basis of life and it is drawn up to the clouds from the sea. The sky provides space and peace, and without me there would be no space and no life. तो सारे colors के बीच में बात हो रही थी and everybody argumented, justified, validated कि मैं जो color हूँ सबसे best हूँ. सब यही बात कर रहे थे. Now, yellow chuckled and said, you are all so boring. I am the color of the sun, the color of sunshine. I bring warmth and laughter into the world. The sight of a sunflower makes the whole world smile. And without me, there would be no laughter and no fun. Orange had heard a lot and said, I am the color of health and strength. You won't find me everywhere, but I am precious. I carry all the important vitamins. Carrots, pumpkins, oranges, papayas give inner strength to all. And when I fill the sky at sunrise and sunset, my beauty is so striking that no one looks at you. अब येलो ने बीच में क्या बोला? चकल करा, थोड़ा खांसा और बोला कि तुम सब कलर बोरिंग हो. मेरा जो कलर है सनशाइन में देखने को मिलता है, मैंगो, पपाया, इन सारे फ्रूट्स में देखने को मिलता है, एंड आई एम द वन जो पूरी धरती पे रोशनी लेकर आता हूं. Now, red couldn't stand it any longer. It said, I am the color of life's blood. I rule you all. I am the color of danger and courage. I am the color of love. See red roses and carnations. Without me, the earth would be as empty as the moon. Purple rose up to its full height and said, I am the color of royalty and power. Kings, queens, and chiefs have chosen me as I am a sign of authority and wisdom. People do not question me. They listen and obey. They bow in my presence. Indigo spoke strongly but quietly. I am the color of silence. I represent thought and reflection. Without me, you do not have the balance and inner peace. So, the colors continued their argument, each convinced that it was the best, and their quarreling became louder and louder. हर color अपने आप को justify करने पे लगा हुआ था और पूरे examples दे रहा था, instances बता रहा था कि कैसे वो color बहुत ज़्यादा better है हर बाकी सारे color से. Suddenly, there appeared a flash of brilliant white lightning, thunder boomed, and rain started to pour down. The colors hid in fear, holding on to each other. The rain said, you foolish colors, fighting among yourselves. Do you know that God made each of you for a special purpose? Join hands and come with me. बारिश आई, सारे colors छुप गए और बारिश ने सारे कलर से बोला, बेवकूफों की तरह लड़ो मत, भगवान ने तुम्हें हर एक कलर को किसी वजह से बनाया है. आओ मेरे साथ आसमान में फैल जाओ. So God will stretch you across the sky in a great bow of colors, reminding you to live together in peace. And so, whenever He uses a good rain to wash the world, a rainbow appears to remind us all that God wants us all to live peacefully. तो ये इसीलिए है बारिश के बाद पूरा तुम stretch होते हो आसमान में और लोगों को दिखते हो ये दिखाने के लिए that how to live peacefully. So, moral of the story: peace consists of positive thoughts, pure feelings, and good wishes. Now, exercise time. Fill in the blanks. All the colors would die all the beings would die without green color. There is a dash in the whole world due to the sight of a flower. There is a boom in the whole world due to the sight of a flower. Carrots, pumpkins, oranges, papayas have strength within them. They have yellow color. Balance and inner peace would not be there without indigo. And the quarrel continued between colors and became louder and louder. Now match the colors given in column A to what they said about themselves in column B. So column A has the colors, column B has the sayings of these colors. So what did green say? I was chosen for trees, leaves and grass. Blue, I am the color, or I was chosen for the sky and the sea. Then orange said that I was chosen for the sun. Then orange said that I was chosen for health and strength. Yellow said I was chosen for the sun, warmth and laughter. Red said I am life's blood. And at last purple said I am the color of royalty and power. Now answer the following questions. Please do that. Please do that yourselves. Peace. You just have to find and write few lines of the poems that depicts peace in them. Now enhance your skills through these activities. So you have to discuss all these questions and write it on your own. And then you have the diary entry based on the understanding of your chapter till now, the entire story. You just have to make a diary entry here. Now design a peace symbol. ये सारे आपके अलग-अलग state of tranquility के symbols हैं. You can just design your own symbol of peace. Now activity time, imagine peace and then you have to follow the instructions that is written here and do the needful that is asked here.